Hi, my name is Steve and I'm president of Ritron. Whenever I hear Made in America, I think of freedom. And with freedom comes opportunity. Not to be confused with a guarantee of success, but opportunity unequaled anywhere else in the world. In 1977, our founder, an electrical engineer and serial entrepreneur, along with his wife, had the freedom to pursue an opportunity. They took their life savings, used their home as collateral on a bank loan, and started an electronics company called Ritron, Inc. From humble beginnings, we grew to build our own facility in 1985, and at the time employed 50 full-time employees. Since then, we have expanded, invested in systems and capital equipment, and hired more employees. And these investments have paid off by enabling families to support themselves, their children, and their communities right here at home. As a locally owned American manufacturing company, we're honored to know that our involvement in the marketplace, like millions of other American businesses, has a very real and positive impact on the lives of others. Our success helps support the economic health of our valued customers, our dedicated employees, our supplier partners, our local community, the state of Indiana, and our country. We consider it a privilege to have the opportunity to serve a growing and diverse base of customers in over 25 countries. They include some of the world's largest retailers and manufacturers, the U.S. military, and virtually every freight and passenger railroad in Canada, the U.S., and Mexico. Our challenge and our goal is to continue to create innovative, value-added wireless communication products that keep people safer, more productive, and more efficient wherever they happen to work, learn, or play. Thank you for your interest in Ritron. We have much more information on our website at ritron.com, as well as additional videos on our YouTube channel. If you have questions, please contact us by emailing ritron@ritron.com or calling toll-free 800-USA-1-USA.